will go negative. So that was a very good wording, and on top of it, the documentary was very good. So many teachers are doing such a hard work for this school. So thank you all. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing member for inviting me on this great day to stand in front of you all to speak few words from my side. So first of all, I wish you all Happy Teachers Day. बहुत कुछ हो चुका टीचर्स डे पे, तो फ्यू लाइंस, ज्ञान से बड़ा कोई दान नहीं और गुरु से बड़ा कोई दानी नहीं, एंड दिस इज वेरी ट्रू। जो आप लोग बच्चों को दे रहे हैं या जो हम लोगों ने अपने टीचर्स से इनवाइट किया है, दैट इज अनमैचेबल, तो उसका कोई मुकाबला नहीं। अनदर कपलेट, हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों रंग चाहिए एक रंगोली सजाने के लिए, हजारों दिए चाहिए आरती सजाने के लिए, पर एक सच्चा शिक्षक ही काफ़ी है बच्चों की ज़िंदगी को स्वर्ग बनाने के लिए, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी ट्रू। टुडे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थैंक माय पेरेंट्स who brought me and taught me, and then I thank my teachers who have made me stand in front of you as a gynecologist, and third, thank to you people who invited me. So मैं बहुत ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए I will be speaking few lines on health only because I being a doctor. So I wish I am working like I am president of Innerville Club, on the capacity of which we have come to thank sir for this day, right? So in that club also I always says that my club members should have a health which should be at the topmost priority, and for that we are organizing various camps of bone mineral density, of liver, of everything. We keep on doing whatever we can do. So again, Happy Teachers Day to all, and let us give a big applause to all the teachers for yourself, right? And for the teachers of your own who have made you and we have brought you here. So we celebrate this day to acknowledge the work and service rendered by you all as a doctor. It is my responsibility to make you aware of few health tips. Right? So I will be just touching few points. Like today we have organized a camp from our side so that we can see how many of you are not taking care of your health or taking care of your health, both ways. So it's a camp which is for hypertension, because if we are able to diagnose hypertension in the early stage, we are able to prevent so many diseases. If we are able to diagnose diabetes in an early stage, sugar, then it is very good. We are able to save ourselves from heart disease, stroke and various other complications. Then another thing which he is doing is the cholesterol examination, which I think with the lifestyle we are living, full of stress, full of other things. So because of that, there are lot many changes in the cholesterol levels, in the sugar levels. So stress levels, I think everybody is having stress levels. So these things do rise. So let us see if these levels are rising. First is control the stress, second is control the cholesterol, second is control the diabetes. So let us see how many, like I was seeing around 20 or 30 teachers were being examined. Out of them, few were diabetic. So sad affair. I think in your age group, these diseases, after 60, 65, okay, something do come. But up to the age of 60, I think one should be disease free. And that is only possible if we are taking good care of it. So starting from hypertension, first there are, in initial days there used to be communicable diseases, जैसे ऐसा हो गया, dysentery होगी. But nowadays these diseases are being controlled. So अब क्या चीज़ आ रही है? That is non-communicable diseases. They are rising like anything, and that is the first killer nowadays. So what are non-communicable diseases? Hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, stroke. So they are all because of the after effects of the changes in the body. So normal blood, we should try to maintain our blood pressure to 120/80 or less than that. Lower the blood pressure, longer the life. So if anybody having BP between 130 to 39 ऊपर वाला and 80 to 89 नीचे वाला, that person should be after that कि मैंने इसको कम करना. And there are so many ways to control it even without drugs. So lifestyle management, lifestyle arrangements, diet, relaxation. So all these nowadays so many things are available on Instagram and videos. So one can follow that, right? So गलत चीज़ें नहीं करेंगे Instagram पे, but there are so many beneficial videos also there. So try to control your blood pressure. Second is your blood sugar levels. So blood sugar levels, लोगों में क्या impression है कि हम तो fasting blood sugar test करवाएंगे. Today also when I was arranging a camp, so somebody told me डॉक्टर साहब खाली पेट तो होएगा नहीं, सबका तो random हो जाएगा. So random blood sugar is the first test which will tell us how much diabetic we are. And on the top of it, HbA1c, जो कि is doing in few people. So that tells you how much blood sugar you have in previous 3 months. Don't think that HbA1c is meant for only those people who are diabetic. But if your HbA1c level is more than 5.7, you are pre-diabetic. That is also very very important thing. So अगर हम अपने आप को pre-diabetic stage में पकड़ लेंगे, तो हम diabetes को आने ही नहीं देंगे. And that should be the motto of today's talk and today's Teachers Day. This is a tribute to your own, that take care of your health. Third is cholesterol, again which is a very big killer. So cholesterol लोग कहते हैं घी बंद कर दिया cholesterol ठीक हो गया. No. So again lifestyle modification. Oil, okay, oil is responsible, but there are so many other factors: weight, stress, wrong eating habits, wrong eating timings. So all these contribute to more of cholesterol. So let us make our thing. हमने पुराने बुजुर्गों को देखा 2 बजे है तो 2 बजे खाना खाना है, 4 बजे है तो 4 बजे चाय, जो भी लेना है, should be in time, and they used to take very good time. So these are all non-communicable diseases which we can easily diagnose and easily prevent. Then as a gynecologist, because I am a lady doctor, so I will be talking more on the welfare of women, right? So these blood pressure, cholesterol, these all are common in both the sexes, male and female, but few conditions are there which are slightly more common towards female sex. Because females, we are all working and we are all, I think, under more stress as compared to our male counterpart. Because we have to see the family, we have to see the work, we have to see our own self. So and में जो own self होता है उसके लिए time नहीं बचता, ठीक है? So उसके लिए थोड़ा-थोड़ा अगर हम plan करेंगे तो we can say, right? So same thing has happened with us also when we were in job and when we were rearing the children. So you have so many things. So when we take the women life, see few challenges are there, and I will divide this whole life into few decades. Like I will start from adolescent girl. Why I am talking of adolescent? Because this is a place where all of you are, I think, above that age group, but you are coming in contact with the students, right? So in adolescent age group, that is a very very delicate age group, right? So if we are giving more time to our students, more time to our daughters, more time to our neighboring students or younger girls, we are able to take care of their emotions, their diet, their teaching, and we can just guide them. So they have multiple problems. Like I went to St. Mary to deliver a talk. So after the talk, so many girls came to me about their questions. So they have a hesitancy in talking, right? They don't even talk to their parents also. But as a teacher, when you are sitting with them, I think आपको जैसे ही पता लग जाएगा कि बच्चे को, you will talk to them and you can counsel them. Right? And everything has a treatment if we start hold it, if we catch it in the early stage. So any menstrual problems, any pain, any emotional problems, we must take care of that. Another thing which is very important for adolescent age group, which at this platform, I think if you are 200 and if you are able to spread this message to a bigger masses, a vaccination of human papilloma virus for all young girls between the age of 9 to 25. I can take a torch and just spread this message that all girls should get vaccinations. इसकी सिर्फ 2 doses लगती हैं, one at day 1 and another at 6 months. If we are giving between 9 to 25 years of age, there are 2 doses. If we have missed that dose, then there are 3 doses and we can start it afterwards. And if there is any query, you can discuss with your doctor, any friend or other. So this vaccination is very important for young girls. Then look for their hemoglobin levels. To my surprise, when the girls come to me after marriage for the first time, I found some girl is having hemoglobin 7 grams, some is having 8 grams, and she is pregnant on the top of it. Right? So if we are able to control anemia in adolescent age, we are able to control the further complications of anemia. Okay? So then comes the period of childbirth. उसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे because nowadays I have seen everybody is taking very good antenatal care. Even in villages, people are going ahead with good antenatal care, good care, and obstetrics. That part is very much okay. After that comes even 20 to 40 years of age group contraception. About that, on this platform, I will be just touching few lines. Don't be hesitant in discussing with your doctor about this. So many options are available, like 4 days back, 5 days back. I attended a conference at Ludhiana. It was on sexual health. Okay, so contraception is one thing that one should go and discuss with the doctor, have the basket, and then go accordingly. Because if we will not be following that basket, then people come with unwanted pregnancies, which is not fair, because then what people do is, even educated people, they will go to the chemist, take the tablet, and will come with complications to us. So my humble request to everybody, first and foremost, in this age group, take care of your diet, take care of your family, take care of your career, and take care of yourself very much. So don't miss anything. And knowledge is a boon. If you are having knowledge, you will be able to use it properly. Then comes the age of late 30s or 40s. That is the age of perimenopause. जबकि hormonal levels कम होने लगते हैं, and then starts gaining weight, changes in the lipid profile, changes in the blood sugar. So जिसको के लिए हमने आज कैंप अरेंज किया है, so that I will be happy if 1 or 2 are benefited out of this camp, right? So that is the stage when we should be, because by that time I think most of our children, most of the families' children are settled, family is okay. So after 40s आपका अपना जीवन शुरू होता है. So at that time diseases also come. So take care of that. Regular exercise, good diet, calcium intake is very very important in this stage. And then comes 50s, दादी माँ वाला period, 50 and 55, ठीक है? So that is again a very beautiful period of the life, right? But at the same time, at this time your health starts declining. What happens is, with hormones your bones are always strong. भगवान ने क्या किया कि जब तक लेडी को हार्मोनल लेवल्स देके भेजा, your calcium is very good in bones, but as soon as your hormonal level stops, period stop होते हैं, the calcium level falls. For that we have already arranged many camps of bone mineral testing in my clinic. But if ma'am will feel, we will arrange a special camp for you people on a special day, whatever time suits you, so that 45-50 your bone strength should be okay. The disadvantage क्या होगा अगर bone strength अच्छी नहीं होगी, आपने सुना होगा वो थोड़ा सा गिरा और उसके fracture हो गया. Any lady having a good bone strength, but any male having a good bone strength, fracture will never happen. So that is the advantage of doing this test. And another thing which starts at the age of 50 is screening. Screening for prevention of cancers. डरा नहीं रही हूँ मैं कि इस एज में कैंसर होते हैं, but only thing is we have to be careful. So screening is for बच्चेदानी के मुंह का कैंसर, यूट्रस का कैंसर, then of ovary, then of colorectal cancer. So इन सब की screening है. So for ladies, mammography after the age of 50 once a year is must to avoid the occurrence of cancer. Once in 3 years, pap smear, काफियों ने सुना होगा, pap smear is examination of यूट्रस के मुंह का पानी लेके टेस्ट करना. For that it can prevent cancer. मतलब हम सर्वाइकल कैंसर को खत्म कर सकते हैं अगर हम वैक्सीन दे दें और हम pap smear करवाने लगें. I don't think so. More than 10-15% में से आपसे किसी ने करवाया होगा. After 25 years of age, it is must to have pap smear once in every 3 years. So I will request you all, हर gynecologist करता है ये, जिसके साथ भी आपका रेको ठीक है, you can go and get it done. And it's not a very costly test, right? So then once a year mammography, once in 3 years this pap smear, and then bone mineral density once a year is very very important. Because I have seen जिनका हमने 2 साल पहले bone mineral density किया था, उसमें calcium score कम था. We gave them calcium for 6 months and repeated the test and we found it to be good. So this is how it helps. Then there is other cancers for which we can prevent. So on this platform I will request all women, men also, to have their health at the top priority. Take care of your career, take care of your kids, but make your health a priority. So in the end, I will not be taking much of the time. So let us all take a pledge that I will not let the age change me. हमने बूढ़े नहीं होना. I will change the way I age. That should be the goal. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. और मैं सरदार देवदास बोर्ड से ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਆਫ ਬਾਬਾ ਫਰੀਦ ਵੈਲਫੇਅਰ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਫਰੀਦਕੋਟ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ
ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ
ਕਿ ਉਹ ਮੰਚ ਤੇ ਆ
ਚੱਲੀ
ਕੇ
ਜਾਂਦਾ।
ਅਦਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਮਤੀ ਕੁਲਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਖੇਤਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਸਲਾਘਾਯੋਗ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ